Good morning, busy corporate man. How are you? I hope you had a great night and you have woken up to take part in your morning fitness routine. I have a big question for you. How do you make fitness a sustainable habit? Here are essential tips for you to survive your early days in your fitness journey. Number one, ensure you find your tribe. A tribe you can belong to, a tribe that can accept you. As human beings, we are herd animals. From the days when we used to live in the caves, we used to live in a community, in a tribe as cavemen, and even when we build our first houses, we still live together as family, as friends. So ensure that you tap into this intrinsic desire, this intrinsic motive of human beings where you want to belong to a tribe. And belonging to a tribe is important. Or when a man was cast away from the community, it always looked like a curse, and it was close to or similar to a death sentence. Because when you are alienated from your community, from your tribe, you lose that belonging and you are alone. The lone wolf always dies, but a wolf in a pack always survives. As a busy man who is trying to add fitness to your life, please find a tribe where you can belong so that you can sustain your habit and carry it through your life. Make it common and make it an obsession. Choose an activity you love, an activity you enjoy doing, something that will wake you up in the morning to take part in. Make it an obsession, make it common, and make it a normal part of your life. Ensure you find a community. Find your tribe. If you belong to a group of people, a community of people, a tribe of people who are physically fit, who are embracing fitness as a lifestyle, you are likely to find fitness and exercising a common habit, a behavior that is normal, a behavior that is acceptable, and a behavior that a group of people like you show up to do every day. So be motivated to join a group that will encourage you to exercise as a normal behavior, as a normal habit. Therefore, busy man, join a community where fitness and eating healthy is a normal, common, and acceptable behavior, and you will find yourself repeating that habit every day. When you see people showing up every day for their morning fitness, every day for their morning exercise, you will be encouraged, you will be motivated to show up as well and take part in that activity. Suddenly, your personal quest for fitness, your personal quest for healthy living is no longer yours alone. Instead, it becomes a shared responsibility, a shared goal, a shared quest where you motivate, where you encourage each other, where you challenge each other to show up for your morning workouts. And in so doing, you are able to rise together to the height and to the level of your motivation. So join a community and be part of a group of people who are working out so that you all rise together and you all encourage and keep each other accountable to build healthy living lifestyles. Busy man, remember this. Everyone wants to belong. Number 2, a lone wolf dies, but a pack survives. Number 3, make fitness a common and normal behavior that you can show up every day. Number 4, ensure you choose something that is attractive, something that is exciting, something that is entertaining, so that you show up every day to work out and to exercise. And number 4, join a community. Join a tribe and be part of a community where you belong, a community of fit people, a community of people who embrace fitness as a lifestyle, and a community of people who add fitness to their life as a normal, regular activity and are obsessed about showing up every day for fitness. And when you do this, you will be able to build fitness habits that last, that will enable you to show up every day, to work out, to exercise, and to carry it through as a normal and common part of your life. Be obsessed, find a community. Thank you very much. My name is Gregory, your Flex Fitness Buddy. See you tomorrow as I share more tips and motivation on how to sustain your fitness habit in your quest to become fit, in your quest to become healthy, in your quest to become strong, and to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Have a great day.